What's up everyone? We're here at Angkor, the ancient archaeological site commonly known as Angkor Wat.
Angkor Wat is actually just one small portion of the temple grounds. We did buy a 3-day pass for $62, so we will be exploring for 3 days straight and making videos each day to show you around.
Alright, so we're walking through the S gate right now, which is the gate that's most frequently used and it's been the most restored. Right here are gods and asuras, and actually a lot of the heads on all the other gates have actually been stolen. So you'll see some example up here of the stone heads that have been taken. And you can see these are some of the replacement heads right here. And another stolen one. I don't know how you steal these things.
We're currently standing right outside of Bayon, which is at the heart of Angkor Thom, which is an old ancient city. It's a little bit confusing, especially once you walk in the outer gate. It's kind of maze-like. That's because it's been taken over by so many different people, tribes, and emperors that each kind of community wanted something different. So for example, maybe some people wanted a cross-shaped gallery, but the next people wanted a square-shaped gallery, resulting in all these different mazes. Yeah, let's go explore. Alright, so as you can see, there are many engravings on the outer walls here at Bayon, and most of them depict war between Khmer and the Cham. So Khmer are the local or indigenous Cambodian people, and Cham were Chinese immigrants. Interesting is all the different religions. So originally it was used for pantheon of the gods, then Hindu worship, and in the Hindu religion, pyramids actually symbolize like the center of the universe, which is why there's so many pyramid structures here, and most recently it's been used for Buddhism.
There's some fat monkeys.
Baphuon, which is in the city of Angkor Thom, same city as Bayon, which we were just in, and that is one of the oldest Khmer cities and one of the largest at 9 square kilometers.
So Angkor is impossible to do in one day on foot, so we hired a tuk-tuk driver to take us around today, and even with a tuk-tuk it's impossible to do everything in one day. That's why we're doing the 3-day pass. I know it seems like a lot of temple hopping, and I'm sure it's probably going to be exhausting after 3 days. So we paid, what, $20 today for an all-day reserved tuk-tuk.
So the options to visit are a 1-day pass for $37, 3-day pass for $62, or 7-day pass for $72. And I mean, just researching before we came, I hear that even like if you come 7 days, you're still gonna not see everything. It's just huge. There's so many different things.
Jones. The sacred relic.
Alright, so we're walking up to Prohm, which is one of the main temples here. It's also known as the Jungle Temple or the Tomb Raiders Temple because it got famous from the movie Tomb Raiders. You'll be able to see why it's called the Jungle Temple in just a few moments, but there are two different species of trees that are kind of growing through the temples here. First is a silk cotton tree, and second is a strangler fig tree.
Yeah, you buy one.
Very nice.
No, thank you.
Rạch trầm trừ nữ khung khluôn ơi chỉ ti chọc buồn sẵn nính có trạch cho tam chất chọp đó hót nơi trọp đại song khăn cứ ao vạt này.
Although these trees are huge now, they started as a small seed dropped in a crack in the floor by a bird thousands of years ago. The tree sprouted up through these cracks in the floor, eventually pressing the stones apart and in turn taking a lot of the walls of the temple down with them as the trees grew bigger.
We're coming up to the last temple of the day, Banteay Kdei.
Cùng ai robot pi khluôn lai sẽ chẳng khăn tay cắt tay nhu ơi thoa bay chỉ cừu thà con hai.
Alright guys, that does it for our first day exploring Angkor. We visited Angkor Wat, Angkor Thom, Prohm, Banteay Kdei, and a few other temples. We started at 5:30, it's now 2 p.m. now.
So tomorrow we will be back at it around 10 a.m. for day 2. It's likely going to be a little bit shorter. We're going to go up north and explore Banteay Kdei, that area up there, which is a little bit less popular than this area. So make sure to check back for that video upcoming as well.
And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you've been here to Angkor, make sure to leave a comment. Let us know what your favorite temple was, what you saw, and maybe what we missed.
So far, Prohm is my favorite.
Tomb Raider one, that one was pretty sweet.
Sweet.